Hi, I'm Freek Van der Herten. I'm a Belgian developer and I work and am a co-owner of a Belgian company called Spatie. We are specialized in PHP projects and more specifically projects with the awesome Laravel framework. We've been using the framework for many years now, since its inception, and we've done small projects, big projects with it. We also do front-end stuff as well, so we have a lot of experience with Vue and React. And nowadays, we focus on very large projects that take us sometimes multiple years to finish. I think one of our best known clients is a music festival called Tomorrowland, where we build a lot of its internal systems. At Spatie, we don't have one open source project where we work on, but we have many of them. In each client project that we deliver, we see that there is functionality that is useful for other developers as well. Things like communicating with Google Analytics, setting up event sourcing, setting up multi-tenancy, how to handle media files in an application. And whenever we discover such functionality, we expose that functionality and open source it via a package. And during these past years, we've created over 200 of those packages. And I think we are the largest contributor of packages to the Laravel ecosystem. So on our GitHub organization, you can see like a big list of things that we have made. And also when we have made a package, that's not like the finish line, that's more of the starting line, because that's where maintenance begins. And in creating the packages, I get a lot of help from my team. It's not that I've made them solely. We have like a team of 10 developers working on them. And maintaining them takes a lot of time. Now, my colleagues and myself, we give ourselves like a half day a week to work on these PHP and Laravel packages, but more often than not, that isn't enough. And we get a lot of help from the community as well. There are a lot of things that need to be taken care of. But that's maybe something for the next question. People often think that working in the open source space is only contributing code and doing bug fixes, but there's actually a lot of things that need to be handled in addition to that. Yeah, of course, we welcome issues if you discover a problem with our package, and we welcome PRs that fix those problems as well. But documentation needs to be taken care of as well. So we welcome like PRs that fix typos or make documentation better. How you can help us as well is with writing a blog post about one of our packages. Another way that you can help us is just taking a look at the other issues and the other PRs of a package, and try to give an answer to the issue or try out the code in the PR. If several people say, hey, this PR works, that's more trustworthy for us, or somebody reviews the PR. And a lot of issues that we get on our packages are mainly by users that use our package for the first time. And you can help us a lot by answering some of these questions as well. Now, if you're looking for where you can make contributions via code, you can search for issues on GitHub, and we label our easy-ish issues with a label called good first issue, and we also use the label help wanted. And if you search our GitHub organization, you'll find a lot of issues where you can help us with. But I think the main thing is, if you're using our package and you think that the documentation can be improved, or there's like a functionality that isn't working or some functionality that should be added, make a contribution. We have a very welcoming atmosphere at our repos. Beginners are very much welcome to do their first PR or raise their first issue here. Personally, I say thank you to all PRs and to all issues, even if in case of a PR that didn't get merged. We're thankful for any contribution that you can make. We welcome people with any on any level. Beginners are welcome, intermediates are welcome, experts are welcome. Beginners, they can help us with like reviewing documentation or searching for one of the issues that we've labeled good first issue. If you already know the package quite well, we love PRs that make it better as well. And even if you don't feel confident, I can recommend trying creating a PR as well. I think many years ago when I made my first contribution, I was a little bit hesitant as well, but I was very happy when I made the contribution. So beginners are welcome, intermediates and experts. Most of our packages are written in PHP and for the Laravel framework, so it definitely helps if you have knowledge about that language or that framework. I think the easiest way is just searching the GitHub repos on our organization. We label them so you can see which ones we need help with. And something that you can also do is follow our Twitter account. We tweet out some issues where we need help with. And on my personal Twitter account, I also make suggestions like, hey, we can do this, but I don't have the time, so we need somebody to help us. So those are the ways that you can get started. And if you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out on me on Twitter or send me a mail.